Are cockroaches taking over your home? Before you spend on expensive products, try this simple natural remedy using cloves, bay leaves and baking soda. Let's get started. Start by pouring hot water into a clean pot and placing it on the gas. Once the water is hot, add 1 handful of whole cloves. Cloves have a very strong aroma, which is why they often use it in homemade remedies to help discourage household pests. Allow the cloves to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes. This gives the water time to absorb more of the natural scent. After that, add your baking soda into the mixture. Stir everything together, okay? Next, add the bay leaves to the pot. Bay leaves have a strong smell that many people believe help to keep cockroaches away. Let everything boil together for another 10 to 15 minutes. As it boils, the water takes on the aroma of both the cloves and the bay leaves together. Once ready, take it off the heat and allow the mixture to cool completely. Strain it to remove the cloves and bay leaves. Then pour the liquid into a spray bottle. And just like that, your homemade cockroach repellent is ready. Spray it around places where cockroaches usually hide, such as under kitchen sink, behind cupboards, around drains, near your dustbin, and along wall edges. For best results, reapply the spray every few days, especially after cleaning. Also remember that no homemade spray works well if the house is dirty. Always clean up food crumbs. Wipe spills quickly, cover your rubbish bin and fix leaking taps because cockroaches are attracted to food and moisture. And that's how I made my homemade cockroach repellent at home. While this type of homemade mixture may help repel cockroaches because of its strong smell, it may not eliminate a heavy infestation on its own. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next DIY tutorial. Bye.